will start this final section by looking at the headlamp wash-wipe system fitted to some 3500s. The system comprises a control switch, 1, a relay, 2, a program or delay unit, 3, a single-speed wiper motor, 4, and an electric pump, 5. A larger water storage reservoir, which serves both the screen and headlamp wash-wipe systems, is also fitted. The system is protected by this inline fuse, located near the water storage reservoir. The circuit is energized through the lighting supply line relay, located behind the passenger's glove box. Whenever the vehicle's lights are on, the relay 49 supplies current, shown in blue, to pin 2 of the delay unit. Now let us see what happens when the control stalk is depressed. Bearing in mind that the power supply still exists at pin 2 of the delay unit, operation of the washer switch, 95, energizes the screen wash pump, 96, and the headlamp wash-wipe relay. This circuit is shown in red. The relay completes the earth path, green, from the delay unit. Current can then pass through the delay unit to the headlamp washer pump and the wiper motor. This is shown in blue. The pump and wipers operate for a 5-second period, after which the wipers return to their rest position. Now, troubleshooting the circuit. If the failure is total, first check the inline fuse, and then the screen washer fuse located in the fuse box. Then check that the connections to the delay unit 1 and the relay 2 are secure. Next, switch on the ignition and the lights and check the input voltage to the relay coil. Then check the operation of the relay. If the relay is all right, the delay unit is faulty and must be replaced. Now some partial failure situations. First, the wiper motor fails to operate. Remove its protective cover. Disconnect its multi-way connector and replace it with a test plug. Then follow the screen wiper test procedure described in part 1 of the program, although in this case the motor has only 1 speed. Next, washer pump failure. First, check its earth connection, then with the lights on, bridge terminals 2 and 3 of the delay unit. Replace the pump if it still fails to operate. That completes this section on the headlamp wash-wipe system. Those of you who are more familiar with the Rover will already be aware that some of the more basic circuits have not been included in this program, such as the horns and the fibre optic illumination for the heater and automatic transmission selectors. But these are all simple circuits which will cause you no problems. Finally, before we finish, a few words about the installation of additional electrical equipment and accessories. If it has a high current consumption, it is good practice to install an additional correctly rated line fuse and, most important, a correctly rated cable. If a trailer lighting system is to be fitted, then be warned. The stop and tail lights must be fitted to the input or switch side of the lamp failure unit 33. This will prevent the unit being overloaded. The indicators are connected conventionally to the rear indicator inputs, but first a heavy-duty flasher unit must be fitted. A Unipart trailer lighting kit is available. It contains full fitting instructions. That completes the program, but don't go away and forget about it. As we said earlier, you can use it again as a reference aid when troubleshooting. It will complement your repair operation manual. As we said before, the motoring journals think highly of the Rover. But they will only continue to do so if you, our technicians, provide a thorough and efficient service. A well-designed car is no good to anyone if it becomes unreliable through poor maintenance. This is why you and the service you provide are so important.